Germany is projected to be the sole major European economy to contract this year, as a lingering recession persists. According to recent forecasts from the European Commission, the executive branch of the EU, Germany is facing a protracted economic downturn in 2023. The largest economy in Europe is anticipated to experience a 0.4% decline in economic activity this year. A downgrade of 0.6 percentage points from the estimate made in May, as revealed in the Commission's newly published forecasts. Additionally, the Commission revised its growth expectations for Germany in 2024, lowering them from 1.4% to 1.1%. The German economy has faced challenges following Russia's invasion of Ukraine, necessitating a swift end to its long-standing energy dependency on Russia. In July, the International Monetary Fund predicted a 0.3% contraction in Germany for the year. Prominent economists have resurrected the term sick man of Europe to describe the traditional European economic powerhouse. A term originally coined in 1998 during Germany's economic struggles. This label resurfaces as Berlin registers significant declines in output. Data released in early September revealed that manufacturing activity in the country declined at the sharpest rate since June 2009, excluding the period impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Across the broader European region, the latest economic forecasts indicate a general slowdown. The 27 EU economies are now expected to grow at an average rate of 0.8% this year, down from the 1% estimate in May. The European Union's growth projection for the following year has also been downgraded from 1.7% to 1.4%. The European Commission attributed this slowdown to weak domestic demand, particularly in consumption, driven by persistently high consumer prices for most goods and services. Inflation remains a significant challenge, with forecasts suggesting that consumer prices will gradually decrease in the coming months but will likely remain above the European Central Bank's target of 2% by the end of 2024. Headline inflation in the euro area, comprising 20 EU nations sharing the same currency, is projected to reach 5.6% in 2023 and then decrease to 2.9% by the end of 2024. The Commission noted that inflation in services has been more persistent than previously anticipated but is expected to moderate as monetary policy tightens and the post-COVID boost fades. The Commission also cautioned that price pressures might persist for an extended period, with the European Central Bank set to announce whether it will further raise interest rates at its upcoming meeting. As it has been doing since July 2022 in an effort to combat historically high inflation in the region. Regarding the sick man in Europe, given that Germany has defaulted 4 times in the past, in 1812, 1932, 1939, and 1948, the question arises, will it default again in the future? Thanks for watching.